welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to add an admin on your Wix website. So let's get started. First, what you guys need to do is you will open up your wix.com and you will get right here. You have to select the website where you want to add the admin. Once you have selected the website, it will take you to your main dashboard. So this is our dashboard right here, and I'll show you how to add an admin. For that, you will have to click on Site Actions, and you can see we have Invite People option. Click on Invite People to this site. Here, I can enter the email address to invite my team members, so I'm going to quickly do that. So this is the email address. Now we have to select a role for them. If they're going to be an admin, has full access to manage, edit, and publish site, including billing, domains, and inviting people, website manager, website designer, back office manager, content collection manager. Then we have billing manager, domain manager. So there are a lot of different roles that we get on Wix, such as editors as well, payment manager. So you can assign a certain role to someone and select what they will be doing. If you are adding an admin, then of course you will check this option. Once you check the admin, of course all of the other options will be checked automatically. Then you're going to click on Send Invite to give your invitee a better experience. So I'm just going to click on Other, select the person, and then Done. An invitation will be sent to them, and you can see that now they are the co-owner. They are also the admin of my Wix website. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.